For a simple search in a table, form, or query, you can use the search box next to the navigation buttons at the bottom of the datasheet or form. In the search box, begin typing the letters, numbers, or symbols you want to find. As you type, Access highlights the first field in the first record that matches what you have typed so far. To search for specific records using the Find command, on the Home tab in the Find group, click the Find button to open the Find and Replace dialog. Type the data you want to search for in the Find What box. Use the Match Case checkbox to find only records where the case of each letter matches the find criteria exactly. Click Find Next to go to the first record that matches the search criteria. To replace data, on the Replace tab, type the replacement data in the Replace With box. Click the Replace button to find and replace just the first instance, or click the Replace All button to replace all instances at once. Access warns you that you will not be able to undo this operation. Click Yes to continue.